After a long while, we are not we. I am uh, unboxing a Planar IEM, the Planar Neo 3, priced at $200. This is a DD Planar hybrid IEM and fairly interesting. DD Planars are the new trend, are catching a lot of attention, and if we really talk about the market is really uh, moving towards multiple DD based IEMs. A lot of interest around multi DD, 3DD, 4DD IEMs, and here we have two dynamic drivers and one planar. If we look at the sizes, one 5.8 mm planar driver, one 6 mm dynamic for mid, and one 6 mm dynamic for low frequencies. Impedance is decent at 15 ohm. I'm not exactly sure if it is the flat one. Uh, if you guys are aware, impedance doesn't need to be flat. They are from a specific frequency range, mostly at 1 kHz. But dynamic drivers do not have a lot of issues with the number, so maybe it is only 15 ohm. I'm not exactly sure. People look at the graph and stuff, but they ignore the impedance graph. I do not think anyone does impedance graphs anymore. In your fidelity used to do that, but I do not think anyone else is doing that. No one really cares about the impedance anymore. In any case, here we are, very similar ISN audio box, blue box, and a very simplistic kind of packaging. Here's the case, you guys can see, and the cable is inside it. 4.4 mm cable, no cable guides. That's a relief, to be precise. And here are the earpieces, slightly on the larger side, if I'm not wrong. These are a bit on the larger side. You guys can see the drivers already. This is fairly on the larger side. Panon Neo 3, sorry, not Panon, ISN Audio Neo 3. ISN is from Panon, so yeah, no issues there. Good looking earpieces. Doesn't have a lot of finishing quality on this, but what can you expect? They are known for their uh, value for money proposition, and that is what we are looking at. Even though these are priced at $200, cable clip and a cleaning tool, and generous amount of tips. These are Sony like tips. These are slightly wide bore, and I believe these are a bit more wide bore. So yeah, decent amount of accessories. I will not complain for sure. Let's have a look at the cable. I really like the fact that we do not have a cable guide here, but I'm not exactly sure how good is this cable. Panon and ISN do make some cables, but the quality of the stock cables may not be that good. But we will see. We will definitely see. This is a decent looking, good looking cable. No issues with memory either. You guys can see no memory issues, and very flexible, fairly flexible. Good quality cable for the price. I do not mind this kind of cable. It's not modular or anything, but it is decent, very good. So this is the unboxing of Penon. I always end up saying Penon, not Penon. It's ISN Audio Neo 3. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.